So once we have added our book properties, we go on to expandable menus. Now this is the contents and menu system within the publication as a whole. So if we don't have any bookmarks that were detected, or we didn't have any in our original PDFs, we can manually do it here. And we can also set web links to, we might have advertisers or suppliers here. So to change the label, we might want to call this contents menu. And then we're going to add a new entry. So within our publication, our first page is the cover. Just for this example, you will have different items listed here. Next, we may well have an index, which when the user clicks on that, it will take them to page 2 in this case. And then we might have an editor's note here, which we'll put on page 3. Now we may well have a sub-menu, so we're going to have a sports section in this. Now we don't want this to come under our general menu here, so we're going to add a new sub-menu here. So we'll call this sports, and underneath we might have football, which might start on page 6, baseball on page 7, and we'll have basketball on, say, page 9. So this will come under our main root menu. And if we wanted to then go back and add another entry under the contents menu without it being underneath sports, we'd simply click anywhere underneath this root, new entry, and it will drop down to the bottom there. So we may well have local news to start on page 11. So far this is within our contents menu, and it's going to direct the reader to pages within your publication as a kind of fast forward, if you like. We can also use this contents menu as links to, say, advertisers or suppliers' websites. So to do this, we're going to add a new root menu. So simply select new root menu, and we'll have advertisers. So within our advertisers, for this example, we'll say us, 3D issue. Now before, all our values have been page numbers. We can actually also send readers to websites. So if they click on this advertiser 3D issue, they will go to our website 3dissue.com. Now you can have as many advertisers as you like here. We're also going to add, say, suppliers as a new root menu, and just for this example we're going to put ourselves again. So there we go, we've created our content system which will be able to preview in the final result there. Next, in the next video, we're going to look at the Flash properties.